Hello everyone, welcome back to the IT Academy. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to insert checkboxes in Excel. Perfect for to-do lists, task tracking, and interactive forms. So let's dive right in. To insert a checkbox, the first thing we have to do is make sure the developer tab is visible. Now, when we go through all the tabs in the ribbon, developer is missing, so we have to bring it up. There are two ways to do that. The first is to go to File. You click on File and go to Options. And then we select Customize Ribbon. So you get this pop-up menu. And when you look at the right side, you see Developer here. It is not checked. That's why it's not visible on the ribbon. So that is one way to get here. The other way is to right-click on any part of the ribbon. Right-click and select Customize Ribbon. And then it brings you to the same place. So we have our developer unchecked. So let's check it. So I click and then click OK. You see that the developer tab is now visible. The next step is to add or insert the checkbox. To do that, you simply click on the developer tab and then we go to Insert. Click Insert and then you go to Form Controls. There is the checkbox. So I click on it and then you can see that the mouse pointer has changed to a plus sign. So any place, wherever you want the checkbox to appear, you just click there. I want the checkbox to be right here. So I'm going to click and then it appears. You can see it. One thing is that by default, the checkbox comes with a label. Checkbox 1, checkbox 2, checkbox and a number. You can edit the label or you can remove everything. So we don't need it now. So we're going to remove the text here. To do that, you simply right-click on the checkbox and then edit text. Then we keep pressing delete till everything is gone. Okay, so you have successfully inserted your text box. Is it going across the line? So I want to move it to the right place. To do that, I have to select it. To select it, I right-click. You see that it is selected. So I just move it to the right place. Yes. And you click, it is checked. Click again, it's unchecked. Another thing is that when you select, see, when I select it, you see that there is a frame around the checkbox. And this frame is bigger, much bigger than it needs to be. What is the implication of this? It means if I click here, it'll check. I click here, it'll check. We don't want it that way. We want it to be as close to the box as possible. So we right-click, select, and then reduce the size of the frame. Okay, this is the appropriate size. So now when you click here, it's not going to select. It's not going to tick. So now we have it here and uncheck. And if you want your checkboxes to be replicated across, we need it to be all over this place. So we just click on the cell and go to the bottom right to this box here. And then we drag it and we have it all over this place. Okay, there is one too much. So how do we delete it? You right-click on it, right-click, and then cut, and it's gone. So we have our checkboxes here. You can see here, checkboxes, pre-project phase. Is it completed? Yes. If it's not completed, you leave it blank. The next thing we have to do is to link the cell or link the checkbox to a cell. Now, why do we need to do this? This is to track the box, whether it's been checked or not. So I'm going to link this box to this cell so that when you check it, it's going to state true. When you uncheck, it's going to state false. To do that, we simply select the cell or select the checkbox, and then you right-click. When you right-click, you then select format control. So which cell do you want to link the checkbox to? Then you click on cell link. Click here, and then you select the cell. This is the cell. And then you click this button and you click OK. So now let's look at what happens when I check the box. You see, true, false. You get it? So it's a completed project, true or false. Now let's link another checkbox. We make sure we select the checkbox, right click and format control. And then we click on this button here and select the cell and click the same button and then click OK. Let's do the third one. Trace OK. Right click to select form control. And then we select or click on this button and then select the cell to link it to. We click on the button again and click OK. So you see that this is not showing anything. Click true, false. So this is true or false, true or false. Okay. This is how we link the checkboxes to cells, and you have to link them individually. And that's it. You now know how to insert and use checkboxes in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the IT Academy, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.